million people globally suffer from some form of disability. There are at least 10 million disabled people in Pakistan. The biggest problem faced by these people is immobility, resulting in disempowerment and hence economic and social exclusion. Latest hardware solutions and services are able to reach most of these people because the problem is more relevant in the developing countries. Sahara IO is the first robotic healthcare startup of Pakistan focused on providing mobility as a service. We ensure the availability of right mobility product and strive to improve the infrastructure around us. This will enable differently able people to contribute in the nation's economy. In the first phase, we have introduced premium quality electric wheelchairs at affordable prices with warranty and after-sales services for the very first time in the Pakistani market. We already have 136 happy customers, 22 distributors across the country and have generated 15.32 million in revenue. Let's join us, we're changing lives.